Hello students, it is Tuesday, April 13, 2021. This is the math portion that you're going to work on for today, okay? Now like I said in our reading video, yesterday there were no videos uploaded because we had some issues with the internet. Now that got resolved, so we're going to continue with our math lesson, okay? Now pay attention, look at your screen. Watch how I move around the blocks and cubes and where I put the numbers, okay? And make sure you have a paper and pencil ready because you're going to do some homework here in a bit. You're going to work on one problem by yourself. Now, here we go, boys and girls. Look at your screen and pay attention, okay? Now, let's look here at this screen. Let's read our math title as the cursor is moving onto the screen, okay? This word here says math. It says solve problems, add to, okay? Now, let's read our I can statement. Read it with me. Here we go. I can solve word problems about adding to, okay? Now, here's what you're going to do, okay? We're going to read this entire word problem together, okay? And down here at the bottom, this is what you call an addition equation. We're going to learn that term, okay? Addition equation. Two numbers have got to go here and they got to equal a total. Now, here's how we're going to do it. We're going to start up here, okay? You're going to read it with me. Read it as I point to the words, okay? Here we go. Read with me. The girl has 3 cubes. Let's read it again. The girl has 3 cubes. Now, how many cubes does the girl have? 3. So watch. I'm going to get 3 cubes here, okay? 1, 2, 3. Now look at that. 3 cubes are there now. Since we have 3 cubes here, I'm going to grab number 3 and I'm going to insert 3 there, okay? So that way you know there's a 3 there, okay? And remember, we're reading this as we go. Now we're done with the first statement. Let's come now here to this second sentence. Read it with me. Here we go. She adds on 2 more cubes. Let's read it again. Here we go. She adds on 2 more cubes. So boys and girls, how many more cubes does she add on? 2. Good job. So, since she adds on 2 more cubes, we're going to have to do this. Okay, watch. I'm going to put 1, 2. 2 cubes there. Okay? Now, since she has 2 cubes here, I'm going to grab a number 2 and I'm going to put 2 there. Okay? You see that, boys and girls? Now we have 3 cubes here and we have 2 cubes here. Now let's read the question. It says, how many cubes does she have now? Okay, now they want to know how many cubes does she have now. Now here's how we're going to do this. We have 2 numbers here already. So this number is 3. So I'm going to get 3 and I'm going to put 3 here. That is my first number that I put there. Since 2 is here, I'm going to put 2 here, okay? So now we have 2 numbers here. We need another number here. To get this number, boys and girls, we're going to have to count up all the cubes, okay? You're going to count it with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So watch, I'm going to get 5. I'm going to insert 5 there, okay? Now look, our addition equation is complete. Let's read it together. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Let's read it again. 3 plus 2 equals 5. And that's our answer. So it says, how many cubes does she have now? 5. Okay, good job. Now, keep your eyes on your screen. Let's come here to this example, okay? Remember, we have to read each sentence and we have to identify what the information is giving us, okay? Here we go now. The cursor is moving here to this first sentence here. Let's read it together. Read it with me. Susan has 4 cubes. Let's read it again. Susan has 4 cubes. How many cubes does Susan have? 4. Good job. So here's what we got to do. We got to put 4 cubes here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we have 4 cubes there, boys and girls, because it says Susan has 4 cubes. So now that we have 4 cubes here, what number do we have to put here? 4. Good job. So we're going to put number 4 there, okay? Because there are 4 cubes here. Now let's keep reading. Read with me. She adds on 3 more cubes. Let's read it again. Ready? Go. She adds on 3 more cubes. So we have to put some more cubes down here. How many cubes does she add on, boys and girls? How many? 3. Good job. So we got to put 3 cubes here. Count it with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now look, boys and girls. We have some more down here. How many are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So what number do I have to put here? 3. Good job. So I'm going to put 3 here, okay? Now look at that, boys and girls. We have 2 numbers now we can insert here. What is the first number we're going to put here? 4. Good job. So let's put 4 here. Now, what's this next number? What is this number here? 3. Okay, so I'm going to put 3 here. Now look, we have 2 numbers here. We have to get another number here. To get this number, we have to count up all the cubes, okay? Let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So boys and girls, we have to get 7 and put 7 there. Now look, our addition equation is complete. Let's read it together. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Let's read it again. 4 plus 3 equals 7. And that's the answer there, okay? So now it asked, how many cubes does she have now? 7. Now, let's do another example, okay, boys and girls? Here we go. Let's come to this slide. Now, we're going to read this again, sentence by sentence, okay? And there's going to be numbers that we have to look at. Let's read it together, this first line here. Casey has 7 cubes. Let's read it again. Casey has 7 cubes. How many cubes does Casey have? 7. Good job. So we got to put 7 cubes here, okay? You're going to count with me. Let's count to 7. 1, 2, 3. So we have now 3 cubes here. We have to get to 7, okay? Let's keep counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, look at that now, boys and girls. We have 7 cubes here because it says Casey has 7 cubes. So here's what we got to do. We got to put number 7 here, okay? Because that shows that there are 7 cubes there. Now, let's keep reading on. Here we go. It says, he adds on 1 more. Okay, let's read it again. He adds on 1 more cube. Okay, so he adds on 1 more cube to the 7 that he has. So we have to put some more cubes down here. How many more cubes do we have to put? 1. Good job. So let's get 1 and let's put 1 down here, okay? Now, how many cubes are here now, boys and girls? 1. Good job. So I'm going to put 1 here. Now look at that. We have 2 numbers now we can insert, okay? Here's what we do now. What number is this right here? 7. So we're going to put 7 there. What number is this? 1. So watch. I'm going to put 1 here now. And look at that. Our addition equation is almost complete. Now we just need a number here. To get this number, we have to count up all these cubes. Let's count it together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I'm going to grab 8. I'm going to put 8 there. And look at that, boys and girls. Our addition equation is finished. Let's read it together. 7 plus 1 equals 8. Let's read it again. Read it with me. 7 plus 1 equals 8. So how many cubes does he have now? 8. Good job. Now here's what I want you to do, boys and girls. Get a paper and pencil. Once you get your paper and pencil, here's what I want you to do, okay? You're going to follow the cursor. I want you to copy these 3 sentences down, okay? Just like how you see them here. Copy them down onto your paper. Once you're done copying them, I want you to draw what it's telling you to draw with the numbers like we did here, okay? Look, 7 and 1. So there's going to be 2 numbers you're going to put here, okay? And you're going to have to draw your blocks here. Once you're done with that, I want you to insert your 2 numbers and then count them all up and put right here what your answer is, okay? Now, if you forget how to do this, rewind the video and watch it again, okay? Now, When you're done, make sure you put it in a folder because you are going to return this on Friday. Now go ahead and continue on with your math homework and pause the video right here because I'm going to log off here in a bit.